Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now I know a lot of you guys are saying YouTube is not telling you guys when I post, so go ahead and unsubscribe and then resubscribe for me, or just make sure your post notifications are on so you do not miss a video, because I am starting to post more often now. So today, you guys, I have a gorgeous U-part wig. Yes, y'all, this is a U-part wig from Nadula hair. So Nadula, since I've kind of started my YouTube journey, has been one of my, like, I guess, go-to, or one of my most recommended hair companies that I really love working with. I always love their hair textures, and I've had someone order from them that I know about a year or two ago, and the hair was still the same. So this time, you guys, I got a U-part wig. Like, I'm not really into them, but fall is like right around the corner, so I really could care less. So this is a Brazilian straight. It says virgin Remy human hair soft silky straight 150 density U-part wig. So you guys are going to see what a U-part wig is. For those who don't know, it's just a wig that you kind of like click on, if that makes sense, like a snap on snap off type of wig. So you do not have to get it installed, really. You can just do it yourself, and then you lay your hair over the, you know, track pattern and that type of thing. So you guys are going to see how I got it to look like this. Now, disclaimer, please excuse the sound in the back, y'all. It's hot in my house. It's hot as I'm speaking. I feel like my upper lip is starting to sweat. The air is right there, but it's blowing that way and it's not really protruding out. Lately it's been really hot here in Wisconsin. Like, August is one of our hottest months, so that's why I'm blazing. So again, I got this in 24 inches, and this is just under $200. So I really like that a lot, because y'all, listen, now you guys are like, wow, that's a lot for a U-part wig, but it's not, because guess what, your natural hairline is a hairline, okay? So adding your hair and doing some baby hairs is so much better than having to pay, you know, for a wig, get it installed, have some artificial overly done baby hairs. Like, I really think this is a nice idea for the end of summer. And they also do have different texture pattern U-part wigs. So I just wanted to get straight, because I did a video on a body wig from another company, but this one is so much better, y'all. That company was okay, but Nadula, they said we did not come to play with y'all. So I really like this a lot. So just going to get into some main details. And one thing that I don't like about it, but it's probably just because I don't have enough hair out. So shipping, it took 3 days via FedEx, so it did not take long at all. So I really am happy about that. The shipping these days is really a headache. So the wig is available in a shorter length, and the longest length is 24 inches. So I'm just gonna step back for you guys. So this 24 inch is more like a 26. It falls to my hips, actually. Pretty long. Now, you do not have to have it in a side part. I just love side parts, and I have been rocking a quick weave, actually. So my hair was already kind of out how it should have been, so I wasn't mad about none of this. Okay, I was like, I'm gonna just get this in the mail, snap it on, and be okay. And as you guys know, the higher in length you go up, the higher the price is, but that's no issue. Now, my biggest issue, but I feel like this isn't going to be an issue when I decide to wear it down the middle. Just going to show you guys. You see that? It's just a little teeny weeny longer than I need it to be, but again, I was going to cut that off. You can cut it off if you did buy this wig, but personally, I think my head is just kind of small for once on a wig. But I didn't want to touch it, because for those who do quick wigs and know about U-part wigs, when you go down the middle, you really want it to cover. So I feel like that's why it's that long. So it's probably not meant to be in a side part specifically, but you can do that. So that is that's the only issue that I had. But really, it's not an issue. I think I just did not have enough hair out. The gorgeous box. They literally have the most, like, elegant type of box to me. Like, I love this company's packaging. So they did include this bag. It's like a holographic makeup bag. I guess when you, like, open and add stuff, it can change to different shapes. So I thought that was cute. Thank you guys for this gift. They also added a headband, and inside of this, it is a edge brush, a hair clip that says Kiss, a mirror, and a detangling brush. So really excited about that. Last but not least, the wig caps. So yes, you guys, that's pretty much all I want to talk about on camera with this wig. So let's hop into this tutorial so you guys can see how I achieved this gorgeous look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The wig will be below. Definitely, if you haven't used a U-part wig and your leave out's long enough, please take it into consideration. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what you guys are gonna see my leave out. This is my hair right now, but I honestly did quickies in high school back when my hair was this short. So honey, get you a U-part wig and be cute. Okay, make people think it's your hair, like, or there's just a good ass sewing, because it looks really, really nice. So I love you guys, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Dice on the